Hey guys, here at the LA Auto Show with Honda's first mass market electric vehicle. We're not counting the Clarity, of course. Here we have the Prologue. We're at the Honda booth. Just did a video on the Prelude that I saw in the Japan mobility show. And we have what I would call a lifted wagon. It's a very gorgeous vehicle, what Honda has done here with their first mass market EV. So going that SUV route, going that lifted wagon route, and it's why it's a wagon? Well, it needs to be cropped and aerodynamic to get that 300 miles of estimated range. Now, that is going to be on front wheel drive models. Honda will also have, of course, dual motor all-wheel drive. It'll be pretty quick as a result. We don't have full specs on pricing. I think it starts around 45K, somewhere around there. This one is an E all-wheel drive model. We see this logo, this E, on other Honda electrified models, even their hybrid. Yeah, we have Toyota Jeff here, breaking the internet, because right now he is Honda Jeff. You heard it here, folks. All right. Yeah, the Honda logo that we, that same sort of like simple font, that space font that we actually saw in the Prelude back there, it is here as well. Now, instead of having that light bar like the Prelude has, it is cut in half. And I like the rounded tail light here. It's not like a block. They give it some of that, a nice little touch. It's not super computerized or overly blocky like a lot of the other manufacturers. Now, this is the Elite model. There are multiple trim levels. I want to say there are 3. I haven't looked at the press release in a while, but I'll put a link in the description if you guys want to read more into it. But look how small this rear window is, and this world's smallest rear wiper is unbelievable. Now, I won't be able to get on the inside of this, unfortunately. It is locked for the public and even the press members, but I like, how we have that soft rounded part of the rear tail light. We have that same sort of theme here on this 6-spoke, I believe it's a 21-inch wheel here, with the Bridgestone Alenza, I believe, the Bridgestone Alenza tires. I like the glossy black accents, and we have it on the door handles, we have it on the bottom. It almost looks like a running board because it comes out of the car quite a bit. The window surrounds, the roof rails, all in glossy black here in this Elite trim. But no, yeah, I won't be able to get in the back, but armrest back there does fold down. I can see pretty well in the front. Honda badge steering wheel. The screens look like the same sort of screens I saw in the ZDX earlier today. We do have a head-up display and kind of like a two-tone gray seat with nice stitching, glossy black mirrors. We do have a charging port. That's locked just like the doors are. But I would have locked Toyota Jeff out of a Honda too, so they did the right thing. And the headlights, the daytime running lights, guys, are mirrored. They're so accurate compared to the design on the rear taillights. I love that feature. It looks super cohesive from the front to the rear. And this has the same platform. It's built alongside that Blazer EV, and it looks, in my opinion, way better than the Blazer EV. It's so much more smooth, so much more refined and simple. If you guys saw my Afeela video, Honda, Sony Mobility in Japan, their EV designs are going to be like sculptures. They're not going to be these super edgy and aggressive designs. It's going to be more that cutesy Honda that we see with the Honda E that we remember from the 80s and 90s. So cutesy Honda seems to be coming back, even though this is an enormous vehicle. It's about the size of a Subaru, was it Outback, the wagon? And look, from the side, this is very much wagon-like, with maybe a little bit reduced headroom because you can see that roofline sloping back quite aggressively. But I'll go ahead and put the specs down below. Signing out from the Honda booth here at the LA Auto Show, and I can't wait to share so much more.